No.
You are just,
We're not just, we're talking face to face with the people.
propaganda. This is just propaganda.
Thuma kamangda.
अरे एक आदमी कितना छुट्टी के लिए
अभी आप आगे अभी आप लेफ्ट राइट की बातें don't talk about all this what is happening over there. This is just this is propaganda.
This is the border. There are so many cookies out there. And now I'm asking you the questions very transparency. Tell me what are you going to do for 3 to 4 hours? क्या करना है? अगर इतना time लेना है तो we will understand. But tell me the transparency.
So there is no mandate to answer your questions.
That's what. If you cannot answer a question, then we cannot let you pass because without reason.
That's the area. It's a routine patrol which need to be carried. First of all, we are not mandated to
Then
answer.
you talk to our higher authorities. We didn't have the power to let you go. अब यही तो आएगा. तो ये तो आना है ना. What can I do? They have given us no more patrolling. Then we say that we let them go for 2-3 times. Now they scolded me. Why do you let you go? What authority you have? उसने हम लोग को.
Now they will remove you from a job.
Not from job. They will let me go away from this land. Where will I go? जमीन छोड़ने के बोला है. You need to. Why do you let it go? The same thing it will happen to you. So we are saying under negotiation. You talk to our leaders. Let the people talk to our leaders. And if they say go, we'll go. If not, we cannot let it pass because they have already given us. You know this thing. Now I'm just letting you show what is it is written in the letterhead. So please let us live peacefully. Please, I'm begging you, let us live peacefully. If you really need it, then please take the permission from our higher authority. If they say yes, we have nothing. And within 2 seconds, within a second, we can let you go. But they have already given the authority no patrolling, no more going. So I didn't say I will not let you pass. Please talk to our higher authorities, and then you finish your conversation. Come to us. ये तो होना पड़ेगा. ये तो कितना डर खा चुका है.
I told you earlier only that we will come.
That's why we already waited you. They say that what is your reason for going? Now they ask me. The headman asked me. So the things that last time we discussed, it has gone viral everywhere. So now all the Nagas people, they have concern and they say that.
So you have made it viral.
Yes, why not? Yes, why not?
Then you're telling it has gone viral. So you are the one who made it viral, maybe.
That's what we have to discuss. That's what we have to discuss now. They are asking, why are you going? Pehla sawal.
You're not obliged to answer your questions, है ना?
तुम्हारा जो हम लोग का सवाल पूछ रहा है, अगर तुम दे सकता है वो.
I told you that we need to go. We need to carry out the domination area. That's why we are going. That's what I told you.
कितना टाइम लगेगा इसलिए.
I told you. I'll be
3
back.
to 4 hours. It's no.
I will be back.
There is nothing to negotiate. We didn't have power. We just talk to the higher authority and come. That is the best because our village headman, these all headman people, they have written us four letterhead. Now I'm showing you the biggest for all the Nagas letterhead. They are different from village. Also, I got the letterhead from this Kampat clan. All they are sending me the letterhead. Now they have given me the letterhead. Once if your village pass it, then all our place will not let them stay at this place. तो हम लोग कहाँ जाएगा? चप्पियारो है खेदू. higher authority दी लाखरा बच्चे तो माँ बुहनी चप्पियारो दी कि नंसी चला का पथारो कुछ ज्ञान ताना लगे ना ट्रेडिशन इराम कितने सिहाई बसी
나는 제시 사고 타고 싶어요.
कोई कन्ना गंगना सुधर का तादे खतना सुधर का तादे अदुगी अखोदी इन तपना ज्ञान ताना अदुम मेशु नेगिदे पोथाओ अखोदी पोथारगा ज्ञान ताना लैसे हैबिरा अदुदा याददी उपाय लेतेना
तो मैं करी हाय
authority दा वरी सारो हैबनी अखोदी उपाय लेते अखोदी मोइने चप्पे यादे नहा नै बेंगो चप्पे याय हैरगा हुजिदि आइने फोन तौरगा अखोदी चप्पे यादे हैबनी हैना हुजिदि खुन मखैना आई चटखो हैबनी तो
चल भाई गाड़ी घुमा ले.
आई चटखो है आई काय चटखरा.
आंटी जी हो गया बस बंद करो हो गया.
Adunina, please talk with the higher authority and then please you come back. You come suddenly. You
Aru
called me suddenly.
churong le di shop
But that Sunday we waited too eagerly.
Suggestion chi hi dak lai ko
बात करने के
macang pai mare chi le la ra khan chon dak lai ko ashi chene shi na kham pui le ko han khabai da han na sak dak lai ni atan karya khachi manam khwe maka khwe
पर सब कुछ अभी हेडमैन का असर नहीं अभी तो सब कुछ पंगु ऑल नागा पुलिस से हम लोग को परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा
저 타오를 제일 나. 지. 이시나마 미아투다 아시지 한기지 가이네 공리 그 tum봉무디야 땀장사 장범 나오라 자이다 지네 시나 아라이다 땀 장록 바임레 시츄에이션 맘 타투다 마사 바임레 데 이시나 다다 클란 하이레 아츠지 믹쇼라